already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. Today we're going to do this look right here. It's a smoky, intense, dramatic eye look. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Now we're going to start with the face primer, DR.Brandt Pore No More. The reason why I like it, it minimizes the pores and absorbs the oil and mattifies. And what I like to do is apply a little bit of a powder on top of it before I apply the foundation. That helps foundation to last longer. Powder choice today is the powder from Kat Von D Lock-It. Mainly I'm applying on my T-zone. Foundation choice today is Lock-It from Kat Von D in the shade Medium 54. And I'm going to apply it with a Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows off the camera, so I'll be right back. For the transition color and the color on the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and use Iconic from the Warm Neutral Volume 2 palette from Sigma. I feel like the Iconic is a little like too dull. I wanted to add a little bit of a color in the transition, so I went ahead and topped it off with Buttersweet. With a clean blending brush, I'm going to buff the edges so the transition will look smooth and smoky. I'm gonna add a little more color. And then blend, blend, blend. And as the base for the black eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. And I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it out with the eyeshadow. And with a clean brush, we're going to buff out the edges to make the transition smooth. Now to intensify the black in the eyes, I'm gonna use the black from Too Faced Cat Eye. And I'm going to use a soft flat brush. This one doesn't have any name, so use any that you have in your collection. Now with a round, dense blending brush, I'm going to blend the edges, and I'm going to add a little bit more black, but yet blended. Make sure that, and to extend the black a little bit higher, but yet make the transition very smooth. Then I'm gonna go back with the Bittersweet, and I'm gonna add a little more color on the crease. Make sure you don't have a lot of product in your brush, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, because if you're gonna put too much product at once, it will be really hard to blend everything together. In the inner corner, I'm going to use the pigments from Naked Cosmetics in the shade DE01 from Desert Sunset collection. And I'm going to add a little mascara, and today I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I absolutely love this mascara. For the under eye, I'm going to start with a Bittersweet. With the Sigma Long Eyewear Liner Pencil, I'm going to go ahead and use it on the waterline and under the eye too. With Sigma Pencil E30, I'm going to buff the black and accentuate it. And I'm going to go ahead with the same black that we used before. A little bit of mascara, and we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So the next thing, we are going to finish up the face, and I'm starting with The concealer, today I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Corrector. I like this one better than the cream one because it's not as thick as the cream one. And as older you get, as less you want to use a thicker consistency on especially on the under eye, because that will bring out the all your fine lines and stuff. So let's do it. I'm gonna set it with a translucent powder from Kat Von D. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Shade and Light powder contour palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. And then to hide our double chin, I'm gonna apply more in here. And I'm gonna apply, since I really don't like my forehead, we're going to apply it on the forehead too, to minimize the appearance, to make it look a little smaller. I'm gonna apply it under my lips to make my lips appear fuller. I'm gonna contour my nose because, as you can see, it's a little crooked. So we're going to camouflage that. And then with powder, we're going to buff it all out this way. It's not, the lines are not that visible. For the blush today, I'm going to use a Sigma in the shade Hot Spot. Highlighter choice today is from CHROMA Glow by Sigma in the shade Peaceful. Lipstick choice today is Lolita number 2. For the setting spray, I'm using Matte by Beauty Evolved. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.